Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to create this look that you can see right here. This is a Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial. If you do not know what Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bengali New Year and it is celebrated in the eastern part of India as well as in Bangladesh. And for today's look I wanted to create something that is universally flattering and that will be perfect for any outfit that you will be wearing, be it a western outfit or an Indian outfit. And this is a beautiful like purple, brown and gold halo eye look paired with a beautiful nudie red toned lipstick. And let me tell you, all the products that I have used in today's video, they are all affordable drugstore products, so you can create a bomb look using some really good affordable products. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on. Mentioned earlier, my focus is going to be my base, and for that first I'm just splitting this e.l.f. makeup setting spray all over on my face because I'm going to double prime today and it makes such a huge difference. Please try this method out and you are going to love it. So for my primer today I am using my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Primer. This gives your face such a beautiful healthy glow. It's like lit from within kind of a primer and it makes your makeup last all day long. Like, do you see how beautiful and glowy my skin is looking right now? Now I'm going to color correct using my L.A.Girl orange and yellow color correctors, and I'm taking just a tiny bit of the orange color corrector and the yellow color corrector and I'm mixing them both to create my own shade. I have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth area, some acne spots, dark circles, so I need to use a color corrector, otherwise my base just looks a little bit grayish in color. In case you have like darker deeper spots, I always suggest you to use a color corrector instead of going in with a full coverage foundation. So if you color correct, you will end up using less foundation, and less foundation means less cakiness. Color corrector is on, and for my foundation today I'm going with my Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless, and this is in the shade 330. I am a little bit tanned right now, so this matches me perfectly. And I'm blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Real Techniques. And this foundation, you guys, it is a beautiful foundation. It truly gives you a satin matte finish. It's not fully matte on my skin. Personally, I have dry skin. It gives me satin matte finish and medium to build level full coverage. It lasts all day long and it just makes my skin look smooth. Like, do you see how smooth and flawless my skin is looking right now? This is a really good one from the drugstore and I highly recommend it. Foundation is on now. I just wanted to quickly show you, since I applied the color corrector, you can see my acne spots are already covered and I have used such a little bit of foundation. So that is a quick little tip that I want to share with you. But if your acne spots are still peeping through, take a concealer that is an exact match for your skin tone and just spot correct. For me personally, I do not feel the need of using another concealer on top of my scars because it's pretty much even right now. I'm going to use cream contour and cream blush today, and if you want your makeup to last long, always use some cream products underneath and then top it up using some powder product, and that way your makeup will last longer than usual. And if you're wondering, this is my Wet n Wild Megaglo contour stick in the shade Fairy's Walnut, and I am blending it out using this Real Techniques highlighter brush. This was a Target exclusive brush that I got a long time ago. I'm not sure if this blush is available anymore or not, but I love it for my cream contours as well as for my cream blushes, and you can see how natural it's looking right now. But I'm going to use a powder bronzer on top of it just to ensure that it lasts all day. As I mentioned, I'm going to use a cream blush today, and for that I'm using my L.A.Girl Soft Matte Cream Blush, and this is the shade Kiss Up. It is a beautiful pink blush. The blush on your hand or anywhere, just spread it out a little bit because the warmth of your finger just warm up the blush a little bit and it will blend beautifully on your cheeks. So in case you have some cream products and they just end up looking patchy on you, then just apply this method. And yeah, I am going to apply it on my, oh, it is such a beautiful shade of pink. In case you are not into pink blushes, they have so many shades to choose from. That is a little too much, so I need to fix it. Oh, now it's looking really beautiful. So yeah, and the formula of these blushes, it is so good. They are kind of cream to powder formula, and once they are on, they are not going to move, smudge or budge. Lash is on and it's looking really pretty. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Since I already applied the color corrector, I do not need much. Maybe this much is enough. This concealer, it's kind of like medium coverage concealer. It's not a full coverage concealer, but it's okay. We applied the color corrector and it will take care of everything. I like to bring down my concealer a little bit here because I have a hollow right here, like you must have seen it. If I just drag it down a little bit, it just takes care of that hollow. And I'm applying the concealer on the areas where I want a little bit of attention, and basically I'm just highlighting. To blend it out, I'm using my Real Techniques concealer brush. This brush is, you guys, it is a game changer. Like ever since I've started using this brush, I'm using less concealer, and less concealer means less cakiness. It does not take away the coverage from your concealer, and it does not leave any kind of bristle marks, which is really amazing. Now it's time to set everything in place, and for that I'm using my e.l.f. Hello Glow setting powder in the shade medium, and I'm going to set everything in place using this particular puff from Amazon. So first just dip the sponge onto your powder like this, and then just press it like this just to get rid of the excess powder. And you are kind of pushing the powder inside of this particular sponge, and it will help your powder to apply beautifully, and it will never apply excess product. Before setting your under eye area, always get rid of the creases that has already taken place. We do not want to set those creases, so just get rid of the creases. Lastly, I'm loving the way my base is looking right now. It's smooth, flawless, poreless, even, and yeah, I'm loving it. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup, so let me just zoom you guys in. We are now up close and personal, and I'm going to do my brows. For that I'm using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade. This is in the shade Espresso. I have done a full brow tutorial on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. I will link it in the description box. So first I'm just combing my brows to get rid of any excess powder or foundation, and I'm filling it in. I'm going to keep the front part really nice. First I'm taking this particular transition shade from my Wet n Wild V.I.Purple palette. Since I have hooded eyes, I like to place the color a little bit higher than usual, because that way my lid space will be visible even when I look up straight. My lid shade will not hide under that hood, so I like to apply the shade a little bit higher, and I'm using back and forth motion as well as circular motion. It's a beautiful cool tone brown shade, and it's blending out beautifully. I am hardly putting any effort, and it's just blending out seamlessly, you can see. Now I am mixing this particular purple shade and this brown shade together on my e.l.f. Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my eyelid, like outer V area, as well as on the inner part of my eyelid to create that halo effect. And you can see how effortlessly and seamlessly these shadows are blending. This eyeshadow palette, you guys, it is worth every single penny, and if you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend you getting this eyeshadow palette and you will love it. And now I'm taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just blending everything out one last time so that there is no harshness going on. I'm applying those two shades on my lower lash line as well, just to smoke it out a bit. Since my sari has this beautiful golden zari work, I am going to take this particular gold shade. It's a beautiful pale gold shade, and I'm going to apply it on the center part of my eyelid. I'm telling you, this is the prettiest gold I have ever used. And look at this, how stunning and reflective and pigmented that is. Just quickly blending out the edges. I'm taking my favorite Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner, and I'm going to line the lid area. I'm not going to do a wing today because I'm just not feeling like doing it, so I'm just going to apply it on the eyelid area. Now I'm tightening my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil. This is in the shade After Dark. This lasts all day long. It is smudge proof, budge proof, and You know, if you are on a budget and if you are looking for a good drugstore eyeliner, definitely check it out. Now I'm just curling my lashes using my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm using my favorite Maybelline Sky High mascara. Lashes are looking pretty good right now, but I want some falsies. If you are not into falsies, you can totally skip them, but I'm going to go ahead and use some false lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. I am back and the eye makeup is all done and I am loving it. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I think I'm going to skip a powder blush today because this blush is looking very pigmented and it's like more than enough. So I'm going to skip a powder blush, but if it is not enough for you, you can totally go ahead and use a powder blush on top of it. Anyway, I am taking my Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit more to give me a little bit more structure. And I love a good bronzy look. It's just my personal preference. For my highlighter, I'm using my Sivanna Colors Shimmer Brick Highlighter in the shade 04. And this is a pretty pink toned highlighter. I'm taking this particular two shades, these bottom two shades together. That is so pretty. And nowadays I like to pair a pink highlighter with my pink blushes. I think it just looks so flattering. Everything in place using my e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray once again. Whew. Now for my lips, first I'm just lining my lips using my NYX Cosmetics lip pencil. This is in the shade Burgundy. Lip liner is on, and I think with this type of eye look you can wear any lipstick that you want. Today I am using this Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink lipstick, and this is in the shade Lippy. It is such a beautiful, unique color. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of brown, a little hint of red as well. Such a pretty color. And here is the completed look. I got my sari on, my jewelry on. These beautiful earrings are from a local market in India, and this choker is from Flipkart. I will try to find the link and I will mention it in the description box down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.